Hi everyone, today we will be reviewing area of a trapezoid. Okay, so a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel sides. The two parallel sides are called bases. So we have base 1 on the top, base 2 at the bottom. The height, h, of the trapezoid is the distance between two bases. So that distance. All right, we have our picture. So we have our base 1, base 2, and our height. The formula for the area of a trapezoid is A equals 1/2 times base 1 plus base 2 times height. Okay, and we have two parentheses, meaning you have to add the two bases before you can multiply. Okay, our 3 steps. Number 1, you're going to copy the formula from your mathematics chart. You're going to replace the variable with numbers. And 3, you're going to solve using your order of operations, your steps, PEMDAS. Okay, so let's try it. First, I'm going to copy down the formula from my math chart. For 1/2, I'm going to write 0.5 because remember, 1/2 means 0.5. Okay, now I'm going to replace the variables with numbers. My base 1, where is my base 1? So I've labeled base 1, base 2, height. So now I'm going to replace my variables with my numbers that I've located on the shape, the trapezoid. Okay, now we're going to solve using the order of operations. So we have parentheses, E for exponent. We have multiply or divide, whichever comes first, and we're going to add or subtract, whatever comes first. So we're looking, we have 0.5 times 3 plus 6 times 4. Okay, I see parentheses, I need to do that first. And inside my parentheses, we need to add 6 plus 3. What is 6 plus 3? 9. Okay, I'm not writing my multiplication sign in the middle because we know if my numbers are pushed together like that, it means multiply. So it's not one number with different place values. It means that it's 3 different numbers and it needs to be multiplied for each. So now we don't have any exponents. We're not dividing, not adding, not subtracting. So we will be multiplying. So it's 0.5 times 9 times 4. $18. No, my answer is 18 centimeters squared. All right, number 2. First, we copy our formula from our mathematics chart. Number 2, let's do number 1 first. Okay, number 2, we replace the variables with numbers. Okay, so we've labeled base 1, base 2, and our height. I labeled base 1 at the bottom because my shape is upside down. It's become turned. So I know what it's supposed to look like, so I just changed. But truly, it doesn't matter your base 1, base 2, because you're only adding. So it doesn't truly matter. Okay, now I'm going to replace my variables with numbers. It would matter if you had a negative number to add, but you don't. So it doesn't matter the position for your 2 base numbers. But if you had a negative, that would change what I just said. Okay, third, we're going to solve using the order of operations. All right, so we see parentheses. We need to do that first. Inside my parentheses, I'm adding what's 14 plus 7. add that multiplication sign in there so you remember. So now I have 0.5 times 21 times 5. Now, the third, I solve. So I've finished my parentheses. Now I need to multiply. That's all that's left for me to do. So I'm going to start at the left part and move to the right like we're reading. Okay, and our answer is 52.5 inches squared. So if you need help remembering how to solve for the area of a trapezoid, please meet me on Zoom at 11, 1:30, or 5:30. See you then.